Guys, and the sauce of the day for today is that spicy chili. Beautiful. Look at that. Goodness.
Hey, you with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get your head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What did them? Chatting, chatting. Welcome back to the channel, guys. And today we're going to do a spicy chili fish. You understand? So right now we are looking at some baby silver snapper. We have some salt and pepper right there. And some onion and garlic powder. You understand? The sauce is everything. Everything in one bottle. So we're going to put that on the screen so you can see what the sauce look like. So remember to season from high so it's evenly spread. So now we're sprinkling some salt and pepper. Some onion and garlic powder. Get it in there. Give them a turn. Gonna repeat. Some salt and pepper. Some onion and garlic powder. Now we're gonna get on the inside. Easy 1, 2, 3. When you're dealing with fish, guys, you don't need a lot. The fresher the seasoning, the better the flavor. Alright, that's it. So we're gonna rub it in. Alright guys, so I'm going to catch a drift. So right now we are going to move on to the frying. The pot over there so eat up so forward with we. Alright guys, so right now we are going to submerge the fish in the oil and remember to layer with. Alright guys, so we're going to catch in the box. We're going to give this a turn or we're near to remove soon forward.
Yes guys, ready like Freddy. It's time to give these a turn. Beautiful, right? Alright guys, so we're going to catch you guys back again when we're removing these soon forward. Yes guys, look at that. Beautiful, nice and golden. So we're just going to remove these guys. And we'll catch you guys back again when we're saucing up these with soon forward.
Yes guys, so now we're going to add the sauce.
Yes guys, and the sauce of the day for today is that spicy chili. Beautiful. Look at that. Goodness. Man, that's so good. And guys, we don't have to wait until this bubble down anymore. We just need to add the fish right away because the pot was hot like how we wanted it, right? Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Lovely. That's so nice, guys. Look at that. And guys, I know this is more than what you saw us frying on camera, but we just fried everything else off camera because it was the same procedure, right? So we're going to allow this to, you know, submerge in the sauce and absorb this flavor. So we so forward again, and feel free to give it a turn to get the sauce all up in there with so forward. Yes guys, look at that. Ready, these ready.
So we just give them a turn off camera, guys.
Yes,
so
as you can see
now, so we're going to get on with the plating. So forward with it.
Let's go. Yes guys, and this is it, our spicy chili fish with polenta. All that good stuff. So this is it, guys. Leave your thoughts in that comment section down below, and if you want to see us use the sauces more, feel free to do so. We have a wide variety, so just leave that down in the comment section and let us know.
Yeah, guys, so I love the support, love the feedback and all of that. I'm soon in the comment section. Keep commenting, keep supporting. Become a part of the AK Gang Active Knowledge. You don't know, so there is right through. New year now, so new things. So look out for it.
Yes, guys. So
until next time, bang, bang, boom.